Guys, I've seen that a lot of people are always having issues with some of the jobs I share because of their location. So I've been thinking about ways to bring you jobs that will always be available in your location. So I thought about my sister's side hustle. I don't know if I'm going to be offending her by sharing this, but I just have to do it for you guys. So the good thing about what I'm going to share with you now is that regardless of where you are or the language you speak, you can actually stand a chance to do this job, provided you can be fluent, you can read and write in any language of your choice that you may want to render this service with. So that being said, all you have to do is to be able to have a recording device, things like a headset, microphone, or even using your phone, and to have a quiet and peaceful space to be able to do this, a place that do not have an echo for you to be able to sound very well while you're doing this job. And most times you don't need any big equipment, you can use your wardrobe to do this. I'm about to share with you, and that is voice acting. Now that's basically what my sister offers, and she does voiceovers for ads, for movies, for podcasts, and so many more things that are available there for people to voice. And most times they're always looking for people to do this depending on the language they're interested in. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. And you guys know me, I will not hide anything from you. I'm going to show you exactly how it is. So if you're a total beginner, you have to be able to master the skill, know what to do and how to do it. And that is why you just have to go to Google and look for free voice acting courses. You're going to see a lot of them. There are some on Allison that you can take, or there's this free master class on voice acting that you can actually take. And once you're done, you just go through the course and understand it better. Alternatively, you can go to YouTube and look for voice acting classes that people, or courses that people have done, and you can learn with that to practice to get yourself equipped to do this job. And I'm going to share with you in 2 ways how you can actually start getting gigs to be able to make money from home, just voicing and just saying whatever that you're given to say. And the good thing is you don't need to write this script yourself. Most times these scripts have already been written, or only just to voice them. So that being said, all you have to do is, once you're done with this course, you can go to these platforms I'm going to share with you to share your service and let people know what you can do and hire you from there. So the first one we're going to talk about is this platform. The name of the platform is Voices. As you can see, it says hire voice actors, and on here you can do animation, audiobook, documentary, e-learning, movie trailers, online ad, podcasts, and so much more that you can do here. So these are people that are already listed with good reviews that people can hire, and as you can see, you can just copy the way they have outlined their profile to do yours. And once you're all set, you can start getting gigs. So to show you that this particular platform allows languages of every sort. So if you come down here, you're going to be seeing a lot of language. So for those of you that are from the Philippines, you can see your language is here, and a lot of other languages here. So for my Nigerian people, this is Igbo language here, this is Yoruba language, and this is Hausa language. So you can just be checking for your own language. For people in South Africa, this is Zulu language. So you can check and then you sign up for the language you can speak or you can write. Of course, there is also English if you want to, but I think English will be more competitive. It's better for you to sign up in your local language, that way you stand a better chance. So you can do this and get started as a voice actor on this platform. So another platform you have to check out is this one, Voice 123. If you come here, you can see how it works, and then you go down here, you're going to see join as a voice actor. So here all you have to do is just to sign up. They're going to ask you the language. Once you have chosen the language you're interested in, you keep checking next until you finish making the sign up process, and once you're done, you can start getting jobs on this platform. So another place you might want to consider is Fiverr. Now if you come here on Fiverr, people are making a lot of money. This person charges 112 euros per 150 words they speak. This one is 186 per 150 words. This one is 98 per 150 words. So as you can see, if you're a beginner, you might not really have to put your price so high. You can just use a lower price like this person and you can sign up. So you can check out Fiverr as well as a beginner. Now the next place you might want to check out is this website, voquent.com. As you can see, they have other languages here as well, people that have already signed up, that you can sign up as a freelancer to be able to do this job. And you can do things like advertisements, ebook, and so many other things that they have outlined here on this platform. So but before you sign up to this account, you have to remember that you have to make a demo video about yourself, like voicing yourself and editing it, to make sure that people that are coming to hire you can listen to it and know what you can offer them. That way you can stand a better chance. So you have to follow the formats that people that are already there have followed to build your own profile to be able to stand a chance to compete with other people there. So that is something you have to consider. So the next one we're going to talk about is for ebooks, like you can be an ebook narrator. All you have to do is just to read this ebook and record it, they edit it, and people that use platforms that read ebook can use that to listen to ebooks while they are busy with other things. So but before I reveal that platform, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're really grateful to all of you for your support so far. Thank you so much. Now the name of the platform is ACX. Now this is affiliated with Amazon Books, and if you come to the platform, you're going to see that it's for audiobooks lovers, and these are everything you have to know. So your interest should be on narrator and studio. So all you have to do is just read through here about how to upload your samples and browse and all those things. And to get started, you click here where it says learn more to be able to sign up to this account, and you can see people that are already signed up here and how many books they have voiced, and you can check out everything here to be able to get started as a book narrator on this platform. So there are other places as well you can also check. Places like Upwork, People Per Hour. These are places that you can actually check to be able to find clients that will hire you to voice their projects. Now, to be able to be independent and not have a third party be in between you and your clients, you can be active on social media like my sister does, and you'll be posting your jobs there, and people that need you, once you have built a brand for yourself, can contact you, and you manage everything. You negotiate price you start to earn, and most times once your brand is solid, you'll be earning thousands of dollars every month doing this job. So I hope this video helps you. If you're looking for other remote jobs, especially typing jobs that you might want to do, please check out these videos. Please don't fail to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.